thanks so much for joining me. Sorry I've been a little bit quiet on the tutorial front. I've been busy in the background building my empire. I've been doing some design work and making some plans for future projects and videos. So what I've released today is my English Country Garden main collection. Okay, now the add-on collection that I have been gifting for free over on my Facebook is also now available on my Ko-fi. I'm going to do a flick through of both collections as quickly as I possibly can. So this one is still currently free on my Facebook group. However, I'm going to be removing those files by the end of today. Okay, so if you haven't already joined the group and collected the files, or if you're in the group and you haven't gotten round to it, you need to do it before the end of this evening, and that's UK time, around maybe 5-6 o'clock. I'm going to be removing these files. There's too many people passing around and I've seen people selling them, so I've got a little bit frustrated. I've tried to be really kind of like giving, and I just feel like it's been taken advantage of, so I'm sorry. But hopefully all of those lovely genuine members have already downloaded it all. If you're not on Facebook or you've missed it, you can purchase it for a very low fee over on my Ko-fi. I'll show you it in a minute. So this is the main collection, okay? None of this was ever free. This is completely made from scratch. It's a beautiful, beautiful collection. It's taken me quite a while to make. So this is one of the main feature pages that inspired the whole kit. It's all blues and yellow tones. It's really rather lovely. And I've done a lot of my own creations. These are all my own. You know, it's not just a case of just copying and pasting. I've put a lot of work into it. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it inspires you to create a beautiful journal. So here we go. So I've kind of tried to keep a bit of a vintage theme, but you will see there's lots of bright colours and some lovely, lovely patterned papers, rather than just your traditional tea-stained journaling pages. So this is the first one. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. And then here's another one with the lovely stacked teacups, and we've got another one here. So I've still tried to leave plenty of space for journaling, but we've got these lovely feature clusters round and about. Okay, and then I've done this one. This is a really lovely decorative one. It would be lovely as a journal cover or for the centre spread for your journal. It's perfect. Or obviously you can fussy cut these elements. I'm also thinking about people that do mini albums and folios. This is going to look stunning. But if you make journals, it's just beautiful. So that's another feature page. Now I keep getting asked for plain colours. Okay, so that people can back them on tags and cards. They've always got the colours that coordinate with the kit. So this colour is taken from the images in the kit, so it coordinates nicely. You'll see later on there's a yellow tone one as well. So that's just a plain one. Okay, we've got some lovely envelopes. Beautiful. And there's another one. Beautiful. Now this is available, so when you purchase it, it comes in 3 files. You've got a JPEG UK size, you've got a PDF UK size, and then there's a PDF letter size. So that's these 8.5 by 11. So it just saves confusion, because whenever I post 2 separate kits, 2 separate collections, one in A4 size and one in letter size, quite frequently people start buying the wrong one. So I've just put all the downloads in the one purchase, and all you need to do is pick when you download them, just download to your PC the one that's useful to you. Okay, it just makes things easier. We've got another lovely envelope with a background that I created from scratch. We've got some little file folders. I love these, I think they're great. And another one. Okay, then another background that I've made from scratch using some florals, and we've got a lovely background there. So just something a little bit different. Then this one is what I call a ghost print, so it's white print on the blue tone background. So all of the colours are consistently matching. These I've made so that when you fold them in half, you've got a journaling page on each side. You can print one of the other images on the back. It's lovely. I'm loving the blues and yellows. Here we've got another one with the cluster of it, like we've got some birds in a garden. And then we've got another one. This is slightly plainer, so it's similar to this one, but this one's got this cluster in the middle, and this one's just got some French script. We've got, have I shown that one twice? Oh no. So this is the rose background that I made. Again, I digitally removed each of these roses individually and made my own background. It took me about about 2 hours just to make that page. So there's your yellow tone. So as you can probably see, I've taken it from the roses, so it all just go together beautifully. And here's a larger print of roses, and I've put a distressed background. It looks like it's been swiped with gesso, with like a credit card or something. I'm really pleased with how that's turned out. Then we've got a lovely vibrant one with the teacups and the birds, and it's got a distressed background. It's stunning. You could even just fussy cut those if you wanted, but that just makes a beautiful page. And how fab would it be cut up to make pockets and things like that? I think it's stunning. Then we've got some lovely tags. You can't have a journal or even a mini album without your lovely tags. And here is a pocket tag page. So what you do here is you fussy cut the pocket, fold the flaps, and it layers on here. And then the journaling card goes in, and then you've got some embellishment bits there as well, and some of these. I can't think what they're called. Labels. I've created a new tea stain stroke coffee stain background with a couple of different digitals. Just in case anybody wants to print on the back, you've got it there. You don't have to start tea dyeing paper. You just flip your page over and print that one on the back. All right. Also perfect for ripping up when you're making your clusters. So here's the beautiful blue that everybody loved, and I've put the same distressed background on as the roses, the large rose print, where it looks like it's been gessoed, you know, with a credit card. It's lovely. It's got a lovely texture to it. And then here we've got what I'm calling a cluster builder page. So you take these pieces and, you know, I've made some of them slightly larger so that you can layer up, and then you can put this behind, then you can put a little label on and a little ticket on and a butterfly, and you've made yourself a cluster. So there's quite a few bits and bobs. And then we've got some of the vintage wallpapers that I've used, and a vintage newspaper, so you can rip them up, and you've got your tatty layer in there. So that is a cluster builder page. So there's it's either 23 or 24 pages, I can't remember off the top of my head. Now, if you're printing out the US size PDF, you may have a couple of pages less. Because of the sizing of your paper, I've been able to double up some of the pages. So to save your paper, I've done that, but you've got exactly the same images, okay? It's absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to be creating a journal using this. I might take some elements from my Floral Grace kit as well, because I think they go together nicely. So that is the main journaling collection. It's absolutely stunning. Just look at it. It's beautiful. I've really enjoyed doing it. It's been a labour of love. So along with this, we've also got a 13-page collection, which is for sale on my Ko-fi. Currently free on my Facebook, but only to the end of today. Well, tea time, UK size time. 13 pages, so we've got the flashcards. So this obviously goes with it. I've used the same images and the same colours. So we've got the flashcards. We've got some, so this was created to be like a journal front or a large tag or a flip. And then we've got the same image shrunk down to make journaling tags. I did a landscape page. I can't fit it all on the screen because my camera's too close. Then we've got the trifold folio. So all of the components for that are in this add-on collection. So we've got what I used for the inside, but a lot of people are using it on the outside, which is quite nice with this border. So you've got that. You've got the pockets that are sized specifically to go in it. And then you've got the other side. Okay, so you can either cut them out, put them together, or if you're capable of knowing which way around to put things in your printer, you can put it and print that on the back of the other one. Okay, another journaling page there with the lovely bird cluster and the stacked cups. And then here's another of my pocket tag pages. So there you've got a blue one this time, and there's a pocket. You've got a teacup to fussy cut. It's the stacking cups. So I've made that image, and I've made all of that image, and that journaling card will fit in there when you've got your pocket on. Okay. So here's some more journaling tags that I created. I had fun making these. So all of these colours here are taken from the image. So it's like a swatch of the image, as it were. Then we've got some more beautiful tags and a stunning pocket. I think this is one of my favourites with this lovely bird cluster. Okay, more tags. And we've got a postcard. And then in this one I've added, because they were so popular on social media, the video that I shared making these and what you can do with these was so popular. It was popular on my Instagram, it was popular on my Facebook Reels, it was popular on my TikTok. So I've put in the lace spools for you. Okay, so that if you weren't able to get these on Facebook, you can go and get them from the Ko-fi, and they are in the English Country Garden add-on kit. So you've got a main kit and an add-on kit. So altogether there's like either 36 or 37 pages. So it's more than enough to create yourself a most stunning, beautiful journal, or several projects, or an album, or a folio, or your cards, or whatever you love creating with paper. You can create it with this beautiful kit. The colours are absolutely stunning, and I've kept them quite vibrant. They're not all faded and all muted. They are lovely, vibrant summer colours. So I hope you like that. Yeah, make sure you go and grab it, as always, at a super low price for the what you're getting, because even though some people take advantage of my freebies, I still do very much believe in giving what I can to the community for free. That's why this one is still going to be available over in my group, as I say, until early evening UK time. After that time, I'm going to be removing this collection from the group to try and avoid any further incorrect sharing and selling of my work. So there you go. You've got a beautiful, beautiful collection there. I hope it inspires you to go and make yourself a beautiful, beautiful summer-themed, summer colour journal. Although, it's perfect for any time of year, really, isn't it? I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. I'm going to be back with some videos for the Junk Journal July Challenge. So you can download the list for that and the word labels that go with it absolutely free over on my Ko-fi. Lots of other things for free. My Ko-fi is linked down below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.